This app is crazy. Oh my gosh, I got this in the mail. You see, Poston, right? I got this in the mail, and I was not expecting a package. I got a message from Poston. It was like, oh, you have a package. I don't know why I'm talking like this. I got a message from Poston. It was like, you have a package at the pickup, right? So I was like, okay. And I'd even checked the little AR, like in the app, you can look at it in augmented reality. And I saw that it was like a big box, right? So I'm like, what? I'm not expecting a package, so what could it be? Let's open it and find out. Oh my God. Look at this. This is a bowl. So when that says right there, I'll send you one so I don't have to see this again. If you want to know what they don't want to see, then click that comment and go read those comments and watch that video. This is unbelievable. This, hold on, let me set this down. This, I don't know if you can see it. This is 490, this is 500 kroner. This is a $50 bowl. Oh yeah, I can make chicken in here and I'm gonna keep this the rest of my life. This is a nice bowl. And there is a message in here. Oh my God. Let's find out. Hold on, I'm gonna take this off so you can read it. Look at this here. The days of sink chicken are over. Oh my goodness, this is wild. So when I was making my fried chicken and preparing it in the sink, and all of you were getting on me, oh, it's so gross, how could you do that, blah, 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 blah. Look, why don't you just use a bowl? Because I didn't have a bowl. You know, these last few years, I've been living in furnished apartments, and the white goods, the stuff that's in the kitchen, I'm just at the mercy of whatever the apartment has. So I didn't have a big bowl. I did have a sink, and I cleaned my sink Thursday. Okay, look, I'm not even gonna get back into that. The point is that now I have a bowl, and I'm so happy, and I got one, and that's so cool. So thank you to you out there that was so disgusted by my sink chicken that you said you were gonna buy me, or you're gonna send me a bowl, and you really did. This is wild, but I really appreciate you, and yeah, I'll have to make something in it one day. Anyway, thanks a lot.